The Canva app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store on your mobile phones, as well as you can see that the same Canva is available online too. But I preferred using this because I found this Canva on mobile phone a bit more better in using and user friendly as well. In this case, I'll be teaching you how to make a poster or a print ad very easily on Canva. So as now I am taking an advertisement and that too a car advertisement, which I would like to prefer. Before starting, the first thing that you have to take into consideration is you will have to find out the pictures which is actually required in order to put in your poster as well as print ad. As in this video we will be learning how to create posters as well as a print ad, something like that, in a very easy way using Canva. So Canva is a software which already has a partially prepared templates, and what you have to do is just to edit the picture, like change the picture according to your wish and text etc. As per your wish and your requirement. So in this case, I'm going to teach you how to make an advertisement poster or a print ad for your particular product. So in this case, I'm going to take a Volvo XC90, that is a car, and I would like to show you how easily can you make it. The first thing is you have to keep in mind is how your poster should look like. For example, I have kept an imagination, it should be a horizontal presentation of poster because a car should have a wider picture. So to put in that, I would require a horizontal frame, and along to which I have already downloaded few pictures of Volvo car. And if you have your own product, make sure that you have a good photo shoot and then you use the same image using some filters as here in order to put in and export that particular template. So in this case, just because I'm making a print ad, so I would first search for advertisement, and then I told you about a picturization that I have, that I would like to look into something that is horizontal because a car should have that much size to be fit in a poster. So I'm going to take, so you can already see that we have so many templates. So according to your wish, according to your requirement, you can choose one and edit the picture as well as text here. So in this case, I'm going to take this one. So this is a partially made template wherein I think they're showing something related to a cloth brand. So I would like to change the picture by clicking anywhere on the picture, and you can see that it has been selected and it is telling me to change the picture with the existing picture. So as I've downloaded a picture which is this Volvo XC90, it has a very good texture and lighting while framing the picture. So if you have your product, it can be anything, it can be a drink, it can be a watch, it can be anything, you will have to do a very good photo shoot in order to put in that picture. Like, you cannot copy somebody else, that can lead to have a copyright issue. In this case, just for teaching you, I'm gonna use a picture that has already been published by Volvo, and the picture has been put in, and then the next thing that you have to do is to select it by clicking on the tick option towards the left hand corner. And then the next thing that you have to do is to double tap on the text here, which text you want to change. And here I am going to use Volvo XC90, and that's the company, the brand, and the car name. So, and I would like to change the tagline or something that you want to add on to showcase your car, which is good at. Like, Volvo XC90 is known very much for its security, so I would like to add on the world's safest car, and not that visible, so I'm going to increase it. It's 12 now, I'm going to increase it to 19, and then you can see and Volvo, I'm going to change it to, it's 48 now, I'm going to change it to 60, and this is the tag here. So you can see that now, here you can see the car and the brand Volvo and its name, the car name that has been given, that is XC90, the model number. And then, just because it's known for its safety, I have written the world's safest car. and like every advertisement print ad, it's mandate to have the logo, the brand logo. That's why I've already downloaded the logo of Volvo, and make sure that you use a PNG file rather using a JPG file. In JPG and PNG is PNG, only the brand will be showcased. All the background, like the white background or black background, will be automatically taken off when you put that into a poster. Whereas in JPEG, if you're using a logo and it has a white color background, the entire background white color will also be put in. So I can show you the difference here. Like I would like to add on, like by adding on, you can see a plus sign towards the right corner. I'm clicking on it and you can see text here. If you want to add some more text onto your picture, you can go here. And if you wish to have image, so I'm choosing image here. So you can see, first I'll show you how like if I'm using a JPG. So you can see this is a JPG file wherein the background also has been shown. So I don't want this, so I'm going to delete it. I've already downloaded a PNG file. So in this you can see only the logo is being shown here, and the background is being erased automatically. Though on the picture you can see there is a black color background that is not being shown when you are importing the picture. So that is the advantage of PNG format with pictures. And now I am gonna use the logo somewhere at the corner. For example, I'm gonna use it here, and you can see that the logo of the brand has been put up here, and also the name of the company, that is, and the model number, that is Volvo XC90, is also been shown here. And also a title or a tagline that we have given to the car is the world's safest car. And if you wish to add some more text here, for example, you can see some of the reframed, like a partially made text with some of the creative fonts is being displayed here, and that can help you in like making your work easier. For example, I would like to type in something like book yours today. So I'm gonna choose something that is related and very much common. So I'm gonna use this. So I don't want the smaller text below that. So I'm gonna like use the bigger text. So book yours and then today and an exclamation mark. So just because it's black, I can change the color here, and I'm gonna rotate it a bit and reduce the size of the text here. I'm gonna drag it towards the right hand corner. So you can see that I've written book yours today, and if you wish to drag it somewhere else also, it's easily possible. And you can see I've written book yours today, and somewhere like you wish to give your contact details, you can use any text from the that's available. Like for example, I'm going to use this to provide the contact details. For example, I would like to give Volvo Bangalore phone. I'm gonna type a random number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like if you wish to give your mobile number to reach out, that's also possible. And I'm gonna change the font color to white, and I'm gonna drag it towards the center down, and that's gonna make the consumers reach a particular brand and reach out to them if they wish to buy one car. And I think this is some of the things you can add on text, you can add on image. If you wish to add on some videos as well as GIF, you can see an option called video. If you wish to add some stickers, that is also available. If you wish to add some illustrations, so you can see the options here. And I think that's all. And I think if you wish to make a poster relating to awareness of something, or if you have a music concert going on, and that's like you can write on concert instead of writing advertisements, and use your required template, and you can put in your details, the pictures and the text accordingly. And after you do that, you can easily save it. So you can see at the top end there are option of saving it, so you can see preparing your design. So it's saved, and if you wish to share it to someone, that's also easily possible, like using your WhatsApp, or if you wish to give like send it through mail, Gmail is also linked, and Instagram as well. So I think that's how easily you can make your posters, and I think this video was useful for you. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also comment. If you face any difficult, make sure to comment and ask for the same. I'll be happy enough to help you with that. And also like this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.